Welcome. In this video, I will tell you about AI features you can use in Insta360 Studio desktop application. So the first feature I want to show you will be DeepTrack 2.0 or 2.0 if you want. It's designed to keep some subject of the footage in the middle of the frame for a specific amount of time that you decide on. And basically to use it, you just have to select the video on your timeline, and then you either click Ctrl+D combination, or just tap right here and then select the subject that you want to follow. For example, in my case, it will be this red car. And to start tracking it, you just have to tap on the Start DeepTrack. And once we tap on it, you can see how camera just keeps following the red car, ignoring all the objects that appear before it, which is actually pretty cool. And to stop deep tracking it, just press this button over here, and as you can see, this part of the video will have this kind of effects on it. To remove it, just select it and tap on the backspace. And so the next AI features I want to tell you about will be related to image processing. So the first one will be MotionMD, which is a feature that enables like moving effect, like motion effects. It adds some pretty cool motion effects that makes the video more alive, which you could use for I don't know, for making music video, I don't know, whatever. You can manage the spreads, the strength, basically do whatever you want with it. The next feature is Aqua Vision 2.0, which basically all it does is that it enhances the quality of the colors overall, like the brightness, the saturation. It's also I can see it adds some kind of contrast, so the video appears to be more clear. And you can also change some properties of it, like the strength here. And I guess that's all I can say about it. And the next thing, which is by the way enabled by default in my case, which is AI stitching. And basically what it does is stitches parts of the frame. Well, as you know, it's a 360 camera, so it has to stitch different parts of the video. And if you disable it, well, you can see some weird moments right here. Like let's look at the hand, for example. You could see how it just has some ghost parts on it. And if we enable AI stitching over here, well, it looks more of more like a hand, like a normal hand, like it's not like it hasn't been stitched at all, which is actually I think that's the reason why it's enabled by default. And the last feature I want to tell you about is a feature that you will only see when you export the video. So let's try and export the video by pressing Ctrl+E, and then right here we can remove all the grain, so the video will appear more clearer to the viewer. And that's actually a pretty cool feature. And but that's all I can tell about it. Yeah, and I think I told you about all the AI features. If you want to tell me about something I missed, you can leave your comment below. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like, subscribe, and see you next time.